Hello there and welcome to another Celery video. So what we would like to do is to create some examples, and we will use the RPC backend to store or compute the results. So let's make this the example, or I'll just copy the tasks to the example.py and edit the example.py. So what we have to do in order to store the results is to define a backend, which is going to be RPC. And here, what we would like to do is to add some more tasks. So check URL, and what we would like to do is to return the requests that get URL equals URL and the status code. Otherwise, return the not available. And in order to use this, we have to import the requests module, and let's create another one. So app.task message and return you said message. Alright, now let's save it, and we use the Celery-a example worker log level equals info. So now our worker is connected, and if we go to another prompt, we should be able to open up a Python console. But before we do that, what we have to do is to use the pip install -- user requests. Alright, it's already installed. So now we go to our console, and from example we import everything. And if we check our namespace, we will have the hello, the message, and the requests. So let's call the hello function. And in order to call it, we cannot do it this way. We have to do it with the delay function. And if we go back to our Celery instance, you can see that the example that hello was received, and it also succeeded, and the result was hello world. But how about we try to store the result? So let's say that our result is hello.delay, and if you check the result, it's an async result, and we can use the result.get, and we can see the message. The same goes for the add function. It has two arguments, so we have to pass it this way, and the result.get is going to give us the result. We can also use the message.delay, and we give it the message I am from console, and if we check the result.get, you can see that we said I am from console. So after that, what we also want to demonstrate is the requests. So we will use the result equals check URL, and we use the delay and pass the argument https://google.com. And if we know that a specific task is going to take some time to complete, as in this case, check URL, we can give it a timeout. So result.get timeout 5. So it means that we will wait for at most 5 seconds for the result. And let's give it a different URL. You can see that it was received and it succeeded the execution, but the result was NA. And basically this is how you can send tasks to be executed and receive the results in an async fashion. And that was all I wanted to show you in this video. See you in the next one.